wonderful people, I greet you. I salute all of you. Good evening. I think I should move these bastards down small. I need to move this Umuzu down. Umuchu. Yeah, my people, good evening. I salute you all. How did your days go? Definitely. I see you. My wonderful people, uh, we are still giving our announcement to if you are not Okigwe, evacuate immediately. If you are in Okigwe, if you have somewhere to run. Oh, if not, you know bush una go enter now because the bones wey dey the bush, the people wey they don't buy inside there. No better. Please, guys, thumbs it up and share as you join. Truth matter, how far my brother? You do Stephens, you do Pretty Uju, well done. Ifeko Everest. Now the real update to update. If you are in Okigwe, run o, disappear o, gbafukwe, na-anari, mbọcha, ejabo. If you are in Okigwe, gebe ekwentị. Anisi Uba George, well done. Authority, mpage Kenemen. If you are from Okigwe, run. Maka ndụ gị ka m ji ekwu, maka ndụ ị ma ọ bụrụ onye Ọnịcha. Maka ndụ ị na-abọcha o. Eunice Ajelu, I see you. Kendrick Obinna, old member. If he merit, ọmarịcha nwa ka ị mere. Asa nwa. Ndị Ọkigwe, ị nọ n'Ọkigwe, ị nwere mmadụ ole so onye na-abaghọzi uru. Disappear from there. I am telling you. I got information that Gentle and his co are not done. Gentle and his co are not done. If you are in Okigwe, run. At the first site of the military, you can go in there to where they are not operating, take whatever you want to take, and run. Don't be ashamed. Carry your bags, go to where you must go. If now under this their new bridge, more na go they sleep there. At least make them know say on a serious. Obu na ibukwa onye Okigwe, ikwu nne ga abụrụ Okigwe, ifu onenunu. Just like those days, if you are from Osuyi Tukwa, your maternal home is Osumo, you have nowhere to run to unless you are Jebu refugee. Everywhere in Nigeria now is filled with Igbo refugees. Everywhere is filled with refugees and Igbos. See, they may be living in a places where they pay rent 1 million, 1.5, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 5 million. Now still refugees then be. We are now refugees in Akwa Ibom. We are now refugees in Port Harcourt. We are now refugees everywhere. My Edo people, say me una no talk say I no one on. My Edo people, me una dey careful. They come that side too. They come there now. My Edo people, me una tell His Excellency Mondo Peholo, say e don dey happen. Me una tell Governor Peholo say e don dey happen. They don dey stream into that side. Delta hot for them. And the ones where they Delta automatically now they go. And the ones where being from east they run to Delta for refuge. Once they see say they are friends, they move to Edo. They don't join, they move to Edo. Lagos, Lagos. Pay attention. Release down these places. Ojo, by Ojo, I mean you see inside Shibiri, all those areas. One are they careful. Ajegule, more na dey careful. First tag, satellite, ndị satellite town, ndị Okota, But Anata, how are you, my brother? I called you, I didn't hear from you again. Did you finally send our sister the computers? Are you understanding me? Are you hearing me now? If you are there, run oh. Ilasa somehow make all those traders where they there, especially those ones where they sell chemical. They don't dey flooding, they come that side though. Ijele, gentle, buy those. Of course now, he buy them. Have you no see the video? I go still play the video later. I go still play the video. Now I wan send show una. You remember wetin I dey tell una about Gentle and the family? Na thief im father bin dey thief for Enugu. Yes. Na there dey give am that name Okpegbu, una go hear am for im community. Una dey hear am. He say General Ijele, abeg, Imperial Field Marshal Ijele, I don't want Udele. You understand? Imperial Field Marshal Ijele, my own na skull and vulture. You understand? Imperial Field Marshal, this general now, everybody now na general. See Umutobo, this Ozu here, they call Angel Lipstick. Obanje Lipstick, na onwe Angel Makeup. They say they don't promote him to brigadier general. Shebi, which one be the first general wey him be before? So, Umutobo, they know. Oga Abubakar Sadiq goes back and say Imperial Field Marshal Ratibo. Make I play the voice note. More na hear wetin in people dey talk. The voice note even dey this page. The voice note even dey this page. Make I play am for una. Umuewu dey no rank. Abeg again. Make more una hear the kind person wey be their leader for Igbo land. Ka unu ụfọdụrụ ndị bu ha anarị. Make I show una their whatever. For the record, me, I don't feel sorry for all those. I didn't put Facebook here. See the mistake I made. See mistake. If I make Okoma Nonorum, I beg, can you download that video? Can you download that video and send me via okay, Facebook don't open here. Via Telegram. Okay, don't open. I think it's opening. Hopefully make it open now. No, it's not opening on this tablet. Kai, I made a huge mistake. Guys, while I can't access this yet, sorry, I think we had a hitch there. But if you go to my page, you will see that voice note I'm talking about. That voice note, they narrated how Gentle's father used to be a thief. That Obebu, that they know his father. You remember when I used to call him Ifeanyi Ezemu Obebu? Ifeanyi Ezemu Obebu. I want to tell you why they call him Obebu. No Obebu onye nwe ihe oburu ya nawa. Saying go thief your thing and he go still talk like say na in the right to thief your property. Now why they give him Obebu? Odogwata, that video, if you go to my page, I shared one voice record where that guy from Ako, that Igbo Okigwe, the Igbo Okigwe is the name of the page. Please, can you download it and send to me via Telegram, please? Can you send it to me on Telegram? If we will be able to do it now, I will play. But while we are trying to get the video, I'm trying to explain or characterize what the person said. He said, this guy, now so they give a name. He said the name, mother's name, na Anna. The guy even mentioned his own name, where he from, in your maternal home. And now so this also of him father, take go born this thief, give them. Remember when the gentle bin dey carry flag for Ikonso wey dem dey for Osu? By that time, you know say dem go kidnap people, then dem go still follow that their Aku side, carry dem dey go Lokpanta. Lokpanta na the same place wey dem from see that video wey dem do that time. Even Al Jazeera publish am about Fulani herdsmen for Lokpanta. Na these people, shebi I do video tell una say na these people. Even the photos wey dem take do that thing, na photo wey from one operation wey DSS lead when director Marcus director Wikos Idams was the director. Na him boys go that operation. Na somebody from there send me that video and them photos of that place where dem behead that man wey wear blue shirt. Na the same, and na the same place this guy dey mention say na there dem dey carry people dey go kpai dem. Before you know, their people say, oh, Fulani herdsmen, insecurity. Una see that Methodist bishop, that prelate, that Methodist prelate, Nigerian government, the day when dem go serious, you go know by them ordering the arrest of that criminal. Shebi him come tell you and say na Fulani people carry am. The same road wey he mention, the same Ihube to all those places, na him these people still use their hand mention. Say na there dem dey carry people dey go. Soon, they said one day Gentle just gather the full village. He no even tell them anything as they come. He said they go come swear oath. Say anybody wey go for Mama Michael, I say I salute you. He said they must swear. Some people say because of their faith, they no fit swear oath. Oga, they separate them one side. After they force them swear the thing, buy them public in front of everybody. That night hot wey una dey see, shebi I tell una, wetin make night hot close that time? I no tell you people, I no talk am. Una dey see wetin we dey talk. Na this kind person dey wan tell you say na he wan bring you Biafra. Hey, in dey fight for us, in dey fight for us. And he go come tell you say if they no release him oga Nnamdi Kanu, he no go stop for where? Do they have a catcher and Okpebu? Maybe na him be catcher, but I know say Okpebu na him be the name wey they take now. I don't know that name since 2022. Now I don't know that name. Then the village go contribute money, say make they call them. You see the current executive of Ako, their hand dey this thing. Na me dey tell you. My message to this youth of Ako, make una no get anything to do with una former leaders. You see una former president, the former president of Ako, wey dey stay for Akwa Ibom. You see that guy? You see that guy? If government ready, that guy no suppose dey work free. I dey tell you. You see that his secretary wey dey stay for Abuja. You see that secretary wey dey stay for Abuja, wey dey live down that side for people at that time. I don't know whether, because we track am, we go follow am like this, leg to leg, near wetin name of that hospital. One small maternity wey dey there. We track am leg to leg like this, go see am. You see that one? Any day una see him leg for una village, wey una detain am, him hand there. Are you hearing me? He say, so now one gentle go hold the whole Ala Igbo. No be only gentle. Oga, the ones wey dey happen for Orumba North and Orumba North South, you never hear anything there. Many places for Anambra, go to Uli currently. Go to Ihiala currently in Ihiala. Na gentle and the boys dey Okpo. Na dem do Smohu. Of course, he say his father and the Kanu's father. Of course, now the Kanu father na Kacha. Gentle father na Igberima. What is my opinion concerning what they are doing to those boys? Oga, those boys no be in boys. Na choir song they sing for them before. Na food those boys bin dey cook for them before, where dem take know where they go carry kala. Although na pump dem carry. You see as the boy dey tell you say no, na pump we carry. So pump no be even gone to them. The boy no know where wetin dem dey use gun do for am before wey make dem go do this one wey you no authorize them. You dey see e anger say dem trespass to another person territory. Maybe they don encroach on Butu's side. Of course, you know say they go share am. You na you get from here to here. You oga, they don share una land o. Una still dey wait for Biafran. They don share una land. Even Emmanuel Kanu don sell village land for their community. The case still dey court. They still dey just land. The money, the account dey frozen. I know the account number and how much wey dey inside. The money dey frozen currently. They dey battle am with their community. Na the kind people wey go bring for Biafran for una. Ana agunu mgbe ahụ una ana amadi elu. Odogwuata, have you been able to do it, my brother? Ana agunu mgbe ahụ una ana ama chori chori. A sound region. Okigwe on a cashew farm. Why on a no even build cashew plant, processing plant? How much be that oil wey they press for cashew? Cashew oil na how much? The dry seed alone na how much? Ask anybody wey dey Europe how much they sell 500 mg of cashew. Oh, you now have the video. Abeg, send that to me via Telegram. Make I give you the Telegram number. Send that to me on Telegram, my brother. Odogwuata, you know my Telegram now. Odogwuata, see the Telegram number 0708 924 5577. 0708 924 5577. 0708 924 5577. That's the Telegram number. Send it. Omeyi ukwu nemeloti manare mumma munemo anomba. Make una hear from their community the kind people wey dem carry gun give. Tell you say na dem wan save una. Ndị savior. Onye kere gị eriri na-achọ salvation. You say, who told you they don't know the identity of Butu's or photos wey dey my former Telegram channel? The time wey dem go bust them wey gentle wear pants run, you know, see say they catch all their photos. where they take crown am king. Shebi dey call him brother no, and I tell una say the useless father wey born them no even born person wey go be no. Say e no possible. Say e no possible. I no tell una. Gwanu m unu. Okay, ask am how Obegbuo Ekperima take born who be Onowu. No be dem use their hand give am Onowu. Ndoshi. No be dem use their hand give am Onowu. Onowu kobo kobo. Ndara. Na deception dey take deceive their people. Oh, Fulani, we dey find Fulani, Fulani herdsmen, Fulani this, Fulani that. They leave them. Oya na, see how everywhere be. Awi dey mmiri fresh son. Nwanne ka nke na-eme. Ndị awi dey mmiri isi achụgo n'ụlọ, you na-ada achọzini freedom. I told you freedom we will not get, but freedom they will give you. Freedom, they will doom your land for free. I've asked this question. How can you tell me that somebody from the north will come and unsettle us in Ala Igbo? Who are you? Who are you? Okay, even military operations, see how difficult it is, and you think a non-state actor will come and pursue a whole village in Ala Igbo? Says who? Onye na-akọ nke ahụ? Where did they talk that one? Where did they talk that one? Fulani people go from north, come southeast. Really? Anything wey say that? Where to make this thing come make you hear am? Their community think say then they bring security. They no know say no doshi. They no know say no doshi. Dadam Dorothy ose etiele. Ose etiele. Ewu elile mma akpafara. Ọgụ ese etigo ose etigo ọgụ adaala. Onye ọbụla azọrọla isi onwe ya. And we have governor in Imo State too. We have governor. Ndị aka ọka igwe, I am telling you people, if you people go and camp at that warehouse, we and ndị Igbo, especially ndị Imo State, in the diaspora, just you people should create your own, just give us account number where people will be putting money. We will make sure we give you see that warehouse side, more than go there, they sleep peacefully. Peacefully, they there, make them know say no be joke again. Una go carry on a camera, power bank, people wey go dey charge the thing for una day there, people wey go dey bring on a food day. People wey go dey bring on a food day. You say Igbo land problem go long go. I say e go dey like that until Don Jazzy get flat tummy before e go stop. No be to give monkey water be problem, na to collect your cup. Nwenwe iki ya kuruku ya unu ekunego nwenwe mmiri gbagozie n'elu isi jeje na te iko gị. I told you people when this thing was starting. I told you. I tell on. Remember the puppy analogy where I give on. Say this puppy, this thing will not carry for hand. Now small lion be this so. Now lion pikin una carry like this so. Una say no, na dog. Say this thing, na tiger una carry like this so. Say this thing go. You say no. Say this one na cat. Una don dey feed this lion o, e go grow. Una say na dog una carry for body now. E don grow. E don grow. Shebi una dey find animal control. Make they come carry am for una. Like the puppy wey una begin train since 2020. E don grow now. Don't know what this rubbish network is doing. Sorry. There is no governor in Imo State. There is governor in Abuja governor. My dear, we don't talk tire. We don't talk tire. Even this one where you go visit Eze Imo State, the Eze of Amifeke. See Amifeke, Ogbo Erudu no safe. Nena Amifeke no Ogbo Erudu. Ogbo Erudu no safe. Ogbo Erudu no safe. You see Amifeke, see Ogbo Erudu. See Obibi. See Hitowe. And they go that thing now to they go share to come share picture for social media, reassurance picture, everything. Nothing good for all people where they here. Confirm in the comment section. Can you drive your G wagon to Olu now? Can you confidently drive your G wagon to Olu? Mbakaipu 20 and X330. Amugo gamu. Ada ekwudo okwu 350 nke a bụ iji aka gị akụ belu si egbu ala m si bịa nwụrụ gị. Eburuzie ndị fọsọntịn jewe ijizi aka gị agwa ndị obodo ọfat ọka mma na ije je kwụrụ ụdọ jeje wụpụ from bridge ụdọ a nwere ike ịkọ ọtụ ịsọvaịvụ mana iburu moto a na-agwa gị tishi ebe ahụ mmụọ. You say, but if you give a banana, monkey go give you try monkey. Ma had the monkey the kuya. A man monkey the kuya. He said, Nigerian to be the governor of one. Not this quick or here. Every hotel in Imo State should put a gentle's picture. Makando. The way it's going now. The way it's going, you will soon start seeing his pictures in hotels and public places. Ojiya na cousin nwanne onye ejizikwa shop. Onye kam onye bụ in fact, if my children were schooling in Imo State, they ask who is the governor of Imo State, I will leave it open. Okada man, yes na. Yes. No be to give Okada man kala. You understand? Obughị ibu no Okada egbe. Person wey hunger wan kpai for in full generation wey no say they go see money buy 5 bags of cement. Ndoshi. Person wey no know say he go see shishi for life. They carry gun give am. And then now they can with all in thief. Okay, see the video here. Odogu, you are a man. Odogu, you are a man. The video is here. Make I plan for now. Thank you, Odogu. All people where they Lagos don't visit, where you where they stay, or don't be Australia day. Half a network nka nebebe. Half a network nka nebebe. My people, please help me hit the like button. You see some Igbo people still supporting this gentle. When you talk, they will call you saboteur. The only English they say. My brother, leave them. If you notice, the number of people where they call people saboteur are not reduced. The number drastically went down. That where mother one. Okay? The mutiny against one of their commander Thunder, but he survived. They want knock their commander. I say now so this thing go end. See, I'm in support of all these boys. Anyone wey knack in commander, he go come collect amnesty, collect better money. Where government they work very well. All these things na incentive wey you go give these boys. Imagine how we buy these 3 guys. Imagine how we take by these 3 guys. Imagine, shebi all of una don't see the video where we buy those 3 guys. Anybody never see them. Anybody never see the video because I go show them again. They need to, you say, Onyama, you say their commander is survivor. Not only muting if he save some communities. See what it buy these three guys. Say they go collect phone. Maybe the phone where them collect now the family of one commander or one girl where you want go carry the knack. Yes, now you go make and do this thing to these people. Now they go say na vex, them provoke am. Why them go the thief? ESN no the thief. How they are gone? Now for security. Because he knows say in community don dey rise against am. He wan come tell you say, gentle wey dey kpai him boys wey thief. Laye e no work. E no work. And again, for the record, I no support say dem dey kpai innocent people, but you see those boys, I no feel sorry for their family. I no feel a single sorry, shekem sorry. Butuzo is in order of so valley till tomorrow. Even Kesha also confirmed it. You see am? Now, why can't they invade that Osu Valley? All the places where that valley enter, Anambra, all the parts of Anambra where you enter, you wait for them, then march 3 drones for up. They wait. They wait. You say, show us the video, please. Make I show you the video now. This one, the third person. See where we do. Those young guys. Those 3 people collected their own Biafra. All the people wishing the Igbo Biafra, may Biafra reach their family. He said, may Biafra be in their household forever. Biafra akọkọ na family. Ndị Biafra, ndị oshi. Mụ ekperima.
Aha gị ogen. Chukwuebuka Doya.
The voice no fit talk.
Onye ebe ụmụ Chekọgwa. Aha. Ụmụ nrego ụmụ duru. Gaa butere gị ebe a.
Duru kem.
Onye kpọ gị na ya na ụmụ duru. Onye nke akpọ gị na ya na ụmụ duru. Gị wa onye ebe a. Ewe onye Amadik.
Their voice don't even they come out well, sir.
Gaa ọ dị egwu iji wee gị ije ahụ. Ọ gaghị ọdị awee na iji pọmpụ wee pụọ. Ya were gaa patrolin. Ya nọ gị were gaa wo mụtụrụ egbe aga ebe ahụ ọdụtụ postu gị. Ebe ahụ ị gara wo ọdụtụ postu gị. Onye sendere gị that place? From ala mmanụ to mụtụrụ egbe agụ. Kee ka ala mmanụ si wee gbasata mụtụrụ egbe agụ. Gịnị onye kwa ị gawara isi n'ebe a ndị fa? Onye dị ya? Gịwa iwe onye ebe a? Iwe onye ala mmanụ? Ya sị ka ego mụdụrụ. Ka ego mụdụrụ eme gịnị? Ka ebe onye nwere moto ahụ. Ọ hụrụ moto l'okwe. Ebe moto mebiri emebi. Ya nọ gịnị emela dị moto? Ya sị ka o cheke mara ndị wndị ahụ. Ka o chekechakwa moto a mara ndị wndị ahụ ka emerela dị moto. O wetere fon ha. Enwere onye Hausa nọ la moto ahụ.
Okay, in the answer, whether you get Hausa or Fulani woman where they can tell they say they see motor wey spoil. Then they go there, say, may they check this work of which now waiting they do before. Then come to ask them as on check and finish. When I see any some person there, they say no, they no see. You see, you just don't understand though.
Oh, the phone now, lot of the much I drop what the phone. The phone now, well, lot. Keep quiet. Why with the phone now? When they'll say on the dia. Oga hero. Or what she call her Kushiriki. Oga hero manele mota. Gezi maziri juemenka. Kaya dukena go mudura bago. Huh?
They mentioned the name of their Oga. They said it's Hero. Please, Ndio Akwoki Igwe, you people need to bring out the face of this hero. So they declare he wanted to. The way they declare these people, this is what you should be doing. All these people are moving into towns. They are going to Owerri. They are going to Enugu. They are going to bring their pictures. Anybody with the news on KFU. What would it cost the police to put all these face recognition technology enabled cameras? All these things no dey expensive. Organa hoko onu. Anybody wey him face dey the database, you go dey inside motor, maybe 5 people go dey there. Your face, the camera don capture your face. The AI don send signal immediately. Police no suppose dey stress dey work these days. Yeah? Like how much it go cost you? Why you think say all this mafia wey you know for abroad, many of them they know they move out. If they want to, they go there for truck. Lie down, you go see them there, because if the camera capture their face like this, they go there their motor just slide this thing close. Camera capture your face, the AI don't alert the system. Immediately, don't the signal say this person dey here. It is saying a leg they use they follow you. Like na camera to camera they take follow you. Put their pictures. Car. You writing well, please advise Showore and Sarah reporters to mention the. Yes, I will have that conversation with him. You know, Showore no be the right news for Sarah reporters, but people don't know. So and all these boys, they catch on when una don't do our job. Why can you give room up? Una appear only a day now. Bullet they enter gentry, bullet no they enter and you go don't go scatter tiger base. Okay? He said, are they the ones that poison? Nobody poisoned him. If they actually plan to poison him, the person they gave that thing to give to him is a double agent. He must have told him. If you see the way they narrated that and the way he was doing on that, with the I told you people this is fake. If you see real pain, now you know how pain they be. Check the background, the noise, background noise. They talk where they talk, and the demeanor of those people for the background. You know, be like people where they where person walk by. I don't know, like very simple something. That after this Ozu Utobo lipstick, where they call makeup, carry gentle peso come, they do video. Now make on a 14 say gentle don't buy. Like that thing was too obvious. All the too obvious. MVP Media, please comment again. Thank you, Tunde.
That this are the player. That this are the player. Huh? Saga well listen to all of you. Everybody. Let everybody hear it. From today, anybody where you go she's a no longer the market. Must receive it hot. Must receive it hot. Very hot. Very big hot. Very big hot. Very big hot. It didn't happen. That's why it happened. Thunder fire all of you there.
The Utobo means for close range. The first one where you want fire that guy where wear yellow, you see I'm hit one. Close range like this, he miss so. People where they say they no fit catch. States where they say they get governor. Close range, Utobo miss, so miss you could have Utobo, then you give name mmadụ a ijikwa egbe the AK for that matter. He miss. Even the other guy wey wear blue, the other one nearly fly comot. Then he come use third one take finish. See the poor marksmanship when they display. You see, onye ọkada wu onye ọkada. Onye ọkada wu onye ọkada. Nechanụ ndị na-agba ndị si na ha na-agba egbe. Anụ mpamamisi kwede no na-eforo ya ka ọ landịrị na fence. Close range. Onye nyere egbe ụgbọala ya agba ahịa. Ọ bụ nnụnụ nọ n'elu ka ọ bere ka ọ ga Chineke m. Nechanụ ndị kọmanda. Triple general. You see wetin that guy wey talk, wey expose, wey dem kpai think say he don kpai. That guy wey talk say na this handcuff dem dey take chain two people, one like this, dem go take two people with one, na him be this thing. You say I think say this guy, which nonsense or dey she wetin dey use dey confuse people. Wetin dey use dey confuse people. Which or dey she? Or dey again? Ndara. In all of this, now you never comot everybody for Imo State. You go done now for government tax, for they do broadcast. If for the broadcast for government tax, I know man. Muto. Now for government tax, for the broadcast. All these boys, save yourself. So if not, gently book up. My people, please. Tomorrow morning I will do a program and I will play that video. By then everything will be settled. I don't know what is disturbing the network. Tomorrow morning we'll gather once again. I wish you all the best of the night. Stay blessed.